Guys, do you know what factory behind us? That's right, it's the Changhong air conditioner factory. The total area here is 540,000 square meters with an investment of 1 billion RMB. The assembly plant is totally 320,000 square meters. Was there in such a large plant? Now please follow us to review the core power of our production. Have you seen the plant? Besides of the production plant of the indoor line, outdoor line and commercial air conditioner, there are also logistic park and warehouse. There are so many factories standing here. You can see that here our production lines are in full swing to meet the peak season of this year. This is one of the outdoor production lines. Today we invite the outdoor production process expert, Mr. Huang. He will introduce to us what kind of process is being carried out at this moment.
What we see now is outdoor unit combined vacuum and charge manufacturing process. This vacuum is double channel with high working efficiency and accuracy. When the vacuum is done, it just goes directly to the gas charging and reduce the middle process. This could avoid the possibility of mixing the air to guarantee the AC quality.
The quality requirements of Changhong air conditioners are really very high. Now let's go to see what compressor does Changhong use. Mr. Huang, could you please tell us what the big machine is working there?
This is the fully automatic compressor robot. It is imported ABB robot with automatic identification technology. Automatically identify the position, carry, and set the compressor. And our compressor brand are world famous like Highly and GMCC.
We all know that compressor plays an important part to an air conditioner. As the key component, what requirements that Changhong has on the compressor?
Firstly, when we select the compressors, according to different standards from different countries, it has to meet the energy standard requirements. Besides, we always choose the supplier with fine quality. In this case, our air conditioners could be more energy saving and silent to provide the best air quality.
A good air conditioner is composed of every indispensable part. So how do we control the standard of these parts? Now let's welcome another expert, Mr. Wang, to introduce us to the production process of some key components.
Hi everyone. As we all know, the core two parts of air conditioners are compressor and heat exchanger. When it comes to heat exchanger, the most important procedure is leakage detection. Now I'm going to introduce Changhong halogen detection technology. There are two kinds of leakage detection for AC. One type is water leakage detection, and the other is vacuum type halogen detection. Do you know what's the difference between the two? Halogen detection is the most advanced and accurate way for AC leakage detection now. Changhong started business with the military industry. In early years, halogen detection was firstly used for military products like aerospace components leakage. Of course, as the development of new technology, this work is fully used for AC industry. Here we have a big machine. We call it vacuum type halogen detector. This is for the heat exchanger leakage detection. We make vacuum, halogen charge, and seal off the pipe. Now the condenser is charged full of halogen, and we put them into 3 working chambers. The accuracy is very high by doing this way. This is the working theory of the leakage detection. As we largely promote this halogen detection, all of our Changhong AC are detected in this way now. How accurate could they be? If our heat exchanger passes our halogen detection, then the gas leakage will now be over 2 grams per year. so the accuracy is very high. This is the brief introduction of vacuum-type halogen detection.
This material in my hand is an important component of air conditioner, the copper pipe. Is there any special requirement for it? Mr. Wang, please give us a brief introduction.
Hi there, as we all know, there are two important materials for heat exchanger. One is copper, as we see now. The other one is aluminum, later I will introduce. When it comes to the copper, the finest type of copper pipe in AC business is purple copper pipe. As a matter of fact, the current yellow and purple copper are the best copper. So we always select the best raw materials. And we talk about the copper processing. There is a very advanced technology. Let us zoom in a little. When we cut the copper pipes, there will not generate any copper powder and scale. Here we call it chipless machining. This will bring us three direct advantages. First, this could lower the raw materials consumption and save the manufacturing cost. Secondly, this could avoid the powder from getting into the copper pipes and cause blocking. Thirdly, this could lower our friction of gas flow to operate quietly. The quietness is great. On the other hand, you could see our scale. We have over 20 sets of equipment. All of the copper processing are automatic. From the copper pipe, bending pipe, shaping pipe to loading into the box are all automatic. So our degree of automation is high. Now we have 21 sets of the bending machine. 40 to 50% are imported from Japan and Italy. In this case, our copper pipe from selection to processing and the machine we use are all the best in the business. This is our copper pipe processing. Another point worth an introduction is, we could take a look from this angle. We cannot see the inside of a copper pipe. Actually, they are inner grooved. We use inner grooved copper pipe, and only Changhong adopts the shou gaochi technique, which enlarges the inner heat exchange area of the copper pipe. So the heat exchange result is very promising, and the cooling performance of AC is excellent. Nowadays, Changhong uses shou gaochi for all the units. This is the introduction of the copper pipe processing. Thank you very much.
As we all know, evaporator is a key component of air conditioner. We see many evaporators in the market. Most of them are bending type. So what kind of evaporator does Changhong use?
The place where we're standing now is the evaporator temporary stock area. Our competitors like Media, Gree, TCL, Hisense in the market are all using multiple bending evaporator. That kind of evaporator is made from a rectangular heat exchanger, cut and bended into like C-shape. There will be a disadvantage of this evaporator. What is that? Multiple bending will form some corners, but when the AC is cooling or heating, the heat will be blew out by the cross-flow fan. The more corners AC has, the louder noise will come out, and the heat exchange efficiency could not be very good. Let us take a close look at our products. This curved evaporator, we also name it C-shaped evaporator. It is one time made by the mold punching machine. It comes out with a C shape, and it's curved, no need other process to make it like a C. Compared with the multiple bending, it provides more quiet air blowing, and with larger heat exchange area, this provides better performance, which is the 6th generation of the evaporator. It is wider and longer than the normal one. The heat exchange effect will be much better. And we talk about the curved evaporator, there's one thing I have to mention. Why this technique is only presented by Changhong in the whole AC business? Everyone knows the technology is excellent, but why others could not use? The fact is, we invested 1 billion yuan on this technology in 1997. 80% of the equipments were imported from Japan, and we bought this patent when we imported equipments. Changhong holds the patent till now. Till now, we have totally 10 sets high-speed punching machines, and all evaporators are C-shaped. Therefore, this patent is owned by Changhong only. Others know the advantage of it, but they could not use it. This is the specialty of Changhong products, with better performance and design. Let's have a look. Very curved C-shaped, more beautiful than the normal one. This is the Changhong evaporator.
Just through the introduction of our experts, you can understand that our process and technology are constantly being upgraded. Are you impressed by changhong air conditioner? I hope everyone can enjoy this video and see you next time.